Hello everybody, welcome to the Bigfoot Reviews tutorial on how to sign up, create a profile, and navigate your settings. So you can get there a number of ways. You can click login, sign up, pricing, or try for free, all of which will take you to the screen where you can select your account type. Feel free to sign up for any account type you're interested in. These two, Tenacious Tracker and Legendary Quest, will require a credit card to sign up, but you will not be billed until the end of your trial, so no worries there. Today we'll go with Savvy Reader, and you're gonna enter your name you would like associated with the account, your email you want to associate with the account, and then you're gonna enter your password, something hopefully easy to remember or put somewhere safe. You're going to want a capital, some lowercase, a number, at least one number, and a symbol or two. And then you've got a nice, difficult to crack password. So click sign up, save it there if that's your jam, and then hop over to your email. You will get a user registration email to verify that you in fact signed up, and then you can log right in. All right, so once you're signed right in, you'll see your basic information here. You can update this to whatever you would prefer. Change this at any time. To upload your profile photo, you just click right there, select the image you would like to use. You can position it, do whatever you want there, and upload, and only you will see this. No one else will see this, so there are no restrictions on what you can put there, but only you'll see it, so have fun with that. All right, so once you're in here and you want to see what's going on with your account settings, this button here will always show you what subscription you have. You can upgrade here, select different ones. It will ask you if you upgrade to Tenacious or Legendary Tracker. It will ask you for your card information, and you can update that there. Then it will bounce you back to this screen and you can select which account you want to upgrade to. There's also some extra options that will appear there below here in this area if you sign up for the paid account as well. So there's that. This button here, again, update your payment method. Invoices, you will always see the history of your invoices. If you have a free Savvy Reader account, that is for life. You will not receive invoices. Everyone has referral links. You have a custom referral link that you can use to share with others. Everyone you share this with will get 20% off when they sign up, and you will get a 5,000 footnotes bonus. So there we go, signing up, creating your profile, and reviewing your settings. All right, everybody, that's it for today. Happy hunting!